cast that anchor.
One step for Graham, one giant leap for Graham kind. Graham King here. First time outside in 6 years, and man, let me tell you, does it feel good. So while Morgan was away, Fred the fish started talking to me, and he's promised to tell me about the meaning of life. But he said that we have to wait till the end of this episode. So let's get right into it.
Recently, the Boy Scouts held their annual tree drive and Second Parish Church hosted a puppet show. In the weeks to come, Hingham Cares will be holding a big meeting with SNAP and the Hingham Police Department, and a Civil War Soldiers Quilt presentation will take place at the Old Derby Academy. To wrap up our show, we'll take a peek at some new Harbor Media content, including the newest episode of Close-Ups featuring gubernatorial candidate Bob Massie, and we'll look at some healthy recipes on cooking with love.
Man, it's cold out, huh? Woo! But it's gonna warm up. Yeah, it's gonna warm up.
Puppeteer Lee Balzer stopped by Second Parish Church with her puppet friends to tell stories that explored relatable topics and life lessons. Kids also got a chance to sing along to songs. The event was for all ages. Another show is scheduled for 10 a.m. on February 3rd. Don't miss it.
You guys might remember in the last episode, the map I had on the wall. Well, it all began when Fred started talking to me. He instructed me to make a map, put it on the wall. I started connecting all the phenomena. I started connecting the dots. Wait, was that tree? It all started making sense. I started find out what it's really all about. I think I've been here before. Now that I'm on Fred's path, phenomena, I think I'm really getting. Promise me, like really, that if I just went outside, are we going the right way? Truth. Oh, I can feel it. Fred, I realize. Are we going the right way? Am I lost? Fred. Hey, Fred, talk to me. Fred, am I lost? Fred, are you alive? All right, it's gonna be okay. I just gotta take a minute here, just kind of work this out here. Well, as the Scouts say, always be prepared.
And the Scouts were prepared for this year's tree drive. Driving around Hingham in U-Haul trucks, the boys collected Christmas trees from the residents of Hingham. Donations tied to the trees were also collected as a thank you for the boys' services. The tree collection is a yearly occurrence that involves a number of people, including Tree Central, a dispatch involving the Scout leaders and volunteers located at the Girl Scout house near Town Hall.
What are you looking at? Oh God, this is all your fault. Graham, let's go outside. It'll be a great idea. Who takes advice from a vase? Fish vase. I don't know, maybe this is all my fault. I guess I'm just going nuts. I mean, if I start listening to loud music and passing out like Morgan, then I don't know. Maybe I should start going to more Hingham Cares meetings.
Hingham Cares will be holding a meeting on February 1st at 7 p.m. in the Witten Room at the Hingham Public Library. This meeting will bring together Hingham Cares, the Special Needs Athletic Partnership, and the Hingham Police Department, as well as doctors, to discuss the connections between addiction and the special needs community. This meeting is open to the public.
Graham.
No, I don't like sardines on my pizza. No.
Graham.
Yes, Fish?
Listen up.
Yes, Fish.
You are going to do exactly as I say.
Oh, do I have to? I mean, I have so far. Look where it's got me.
You don't have a choice.
I don't have a choice.
You are going to promote the Civil Soldiers Quilt event taking place at Old Derby Academy on January 28th.
This coming Sunday, prepare to be amazed as Pam Weeks, the Binney family curator at the New England Quilt Museum, stops by Old Derby to give a talk on Civil War soldiers' quilts in the Hingham Heritage Museum. An informal display of the 19th century quilts will be on display from the Hingham Historical Society. The event starts at 3 p.m. Be sure to reserve your space by calling 781-749-7721 or email admin@hinghamhistorical.org.
Harbor Media promos.
No!
On the next episode of Close-Ups, Democrat Bob Massie stops by to make the case as the next governor of Massachusetts. Mr. Massie explores the challenges to healthcare, equality, and his plans for practical energy solutions and the future of the Commonwealth. On this month's Cooking with Love, Linda Verasso helps out with your healthy eating New Year's resolution by recreating 2 common recipes with cauliflower. Cauliflower fried rice and cauliflower mashed potatoes. After eating these versions, you may not go back.
Well, that's about all the time we have. Until next time, acres away. Oh, I think I see the way out. Oh boy. What's this? Harbor Media? Fred, what's the meaning of life?
The quality distinguishes a virtue and functioning being from a dead body, a principle of force that is considered to underlie the distinctive quality of animated beings, an organismic state characterized by the capacity of metabolism. See metabolism. 1. Growth, reaction to stimuli and reproduction. 2a. Sequence of physical and